Hello. This video is a quick demo of how OK Alone works. We'll be showing both the online dashboard and the app working together side by side. When workers are added to your OK Alone account, they are given a unique PIN number which they can then use to activate the account. In this example, we have Sam Williams. Once the app is activated, they can now start their first shift. Once the shift is started, the check-in timer will start. In this example, it's set to 90 minutes, but it can be customized for the worker's situation. As the worker goes about their shift, the up-to-date location is gathered in case there is an emergency and the countdown timer continues. When the check-in is due, the worker will get an alert on their phone asking them if they are okay. If they are, they will click the check-in button and the time will start again. However, if they don't respond, then the grace period for monitors will start. The default grace period is 15 minutes. If the worker does not respond within 15 minutes, then the monitor alerts will be sent out, letting the monitors know there is a possible issue with this worker. At any time during a shift, the worker can request help. We'll do a help request here to show an example alert. To request help, the worker just needs to press the help button on the screen, and this is immediately sent to all monitors. Monitors will get this alert by email, phone call, SMS, or WhatsApp, whichever contact they prefer, and the dashboard will update with an easy link to see the alert information. The alert information includes information about the worker, the type of the alert, the last location, who the alert has been sent to, and also the escalation procedure, which is a number of steps that should be taken to resolve the alert. In this example, the worker is okay, so we'll just check in and continue the shift. Let's have a look at a few more features available in the OK Alone app. The first one is the high-risk check-in. In this example, the standard check-in is 90 minutes, but if Sam goes into an area of high risk, they might want a shorter timer. To do this, they can simply open the app and choose a shorter time period. Let's choose 10 minutes for this example. If the 10 minutes expires, then a normal missed check-in procedure will start and monitors will be alerted. However, Sam finishes this high-risk task and they're okay, so they check in and continue their shift. The next feature we're going to look at is a man-down. Man-down feature uses the phone's sensors to detect movement. Once activated, in this example, we'll set it to a 5-minute timer, which means that if the worker does not move for 5 minutes, then the phone will alert them. If they do not respond to the alert, then the grace period will start and the monitors will be alerted. As long as the worker keeps moving, the phone will update the movement and everything will be okay. However, if the phone stops moving because the worker is injured or some other reason, then the alert period will start. As workers go about their shifts, their location is continuously updated. This means even if the phone is in minimized and hasn't performed an action for over an hour, we still have their up-to-date location in case of a missed check-in. In the dashboard, you can go to Shifts and Locations and you can view all the workers' shifts. In this example, we can see Sam's here and their last known location. You can also click on them and see all the actions they performed and where they performed them throughout their shifts. So we can see their check-ins, help alerts, and also the start and end of their shift. Workers are in full control of their location settings, so they can choose an appropriate monitoring level depending on how much battery is on their phone and how often they need the location monitoring to occur. The default is updating a location every 1 to 2 minutes. This was a quick overview of the OK Alone system, but there are many more features available including groups, escalation procedures, alert loops, out-of-hours alerts, monitor access levels, timesheets, and safety awards. To learn more about OK Alone and these features, please use the links below to start a free trial on our website or email us at info@okalone.net. Thank you very much. Bye.